के मैक्सिमम पोर्शन को फिनिश कर लिया है। अब आगे जो आपका लास्ट स्टेयर्स है उसमें आइडेंटिटीज प्रूव करने का प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और मैं सोचता हूं कि आप लोग बिल्कुल ध्यानपूर्वक इस आइडेंटिटी के डिफरेंट फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन को चेक करेंगे और ध्यान रखेंगे कि आपके पास LHS और RHS होते हैं। हम LHS को सॉल्व करके RHS के पास पहुंच सकते हैं या RHS को सॉल्व करके LHS के पास पहुंच सकते हैं, अथवा LHS और RHS दोनों को एक बेसिक फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग आगे ले जाकर इक्वलाइज कर सकते हैं। यही आपको इस ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी में सोचना है। Okay, students may be better than that of teachers because you have the current brain, logical brain. You can think better and try to adjust all of them together. Okay, thank you. Now, let us start. Today's first sum prove that sound check है ना, proved that cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A, cot A plus cos A equal to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1, cosec A plus 1. Okay, cot A plus cos A upon cot minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A equal to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Students, in LHS, cot A, that is the quotient of cos A and sin A. Cot A is the quotient of cos A and sin A. So we should write here cos A upon sin A. Mind the basic concept only. We should go in basic concept. Minus cos A. Cot A same. Cot A equal to it means cot means quotient of cos and sin. So write here cos A upon sin A plus cos A. Now student, cos A upon sin A minus cos A. Cos A means here cos A upon 1. Do the operation LCM sin A. Do you know LCM of sin A and 1 is sin A? Sin A divided, then 1 multiply cos A equal to cos A minus sin A multiply cos A. It means sin A cos A. Sin A into cos A. Take the operation sin A and 1 LCM sin A divided by sin A 1 multiplied by cos A, then cos A minus, okay, sin A multiply cos A equal to sin A multiply cos A. Now LCM of these two, sin A and 1 is sin A, same cos A and cos A. You should mind cos A plus sin A into cos A. Now take these two groups. One is cos A, another group is sin A into cos A. So here cos A is common. Cos A is common, student. After taking common cos A, you will write cos A, common factor here cos A. Cos A divided by cos A, you will get 1 minus. Now sin A into cos A divided by cos A, you will get sin A. Okay, upon sin A. Similarly, cos A plus sin A into cos A is common. Then you will write 1 plus cos A cancel sin A upon sin A. Okay. Now these are two fractions, first and second. We will start by the rule of multiplicative inverse. Cos A into 1 minus sin A upon sin A multiply, then sin A upon sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now sin A cancelled by sin A, cos A cancelled by cos A. We will get here 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Okay. Student, this is the result of LHS. Okay. In LHS, now you have no idea, suppose that you can't apply from here. So we will go in RHS now. This is the result of LHS. Okay? Now come in RHS. You will write from here RHS. Cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Do you know the definition of cosec A? Cosec A is converse of sin A. So we can write here 1 upon sin A minus 1 upon, student here cosec A same 1 upon sin A plus 1. Now LCM of sin A, LCM of sin A, here 1 upon 1 is sin A, sin A cancel, so 1. Okay. Now minus sin A multiplied by 1 is sin A upon LCM of sin A, here sin A cancelled, then 1 plus sin A multiplied by 1, you will write sin A. Now go in multiplicative inverse, you can write 1 minus sin A upon sin A multiply, here multiplicative inverse of second fraction, sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now sin A cancelled by sin A, and lastly you should write 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now check these two LHS and RHS. Okay, the last stage of LHS is 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A, and the last stage of RHS is 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. They are equal now. Okay, in this way you can give your proof. Understood? Sound okay? आप सभी ये नहीं समझना कि मैं घर पर हूं, लॉकडाउन बढ़ता जा रहा है और आप 9, 10, 11, 12 वाले स्टूडेंट बहुत सीरियस है, आपको पढ़ाई करनी ही है, कंपटीशन एग्जाम ऑर्गेनाइज होगी ही, बोर्ड ऑर्गेनाइज किया ही जाएगा, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है। आप ये मत समझो कि हम लोग लॉकडाउन में हैं, इसलिए हम लोग काफी प्रयास करके आप लोगों के लिए एक गुड एजुकेशन देने का प्रयास करते हैं। बस कुछ ही दिनों के बाद हमको लगता है कि आप सभी सब्जेक्ट का पढ़ाई करेंगे, ये स्पेशल सिर्फ 9, 10 का हो जाएगा, एक अलग से सिस्टम 1 to 8 का बनाया जा रहा है। इसलिए आप सभी स्टूडेंट इससे जुड़ें और सिस्टमेटिक पढ़ाई करने का प्रयास करें। ठीक है, आगे पढ़ाने वाले को, ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले को क्या हो रहा है ये फिक्र नहीं करना है, सिर्फ आपको अपना फ्यूचर देखना है और उस फ्यूचर को देखते हुए रेगुलर पंक्चुअल होकर, टाइमली आप रेडी होकर क्लास में बैठें, मतलब अपने घर के क्लास में, और यहाँ से पढ़ाई शुरू करें। ओके, यू शुड डू योर होमवर्क जस्ट लाइक योर क्लास, डोंट माइंड यू आर ओके नॉट इन द स्कूल, mind we all are in the school and teacher is in front of us. Now second question, student, we are starting. Prove that sin A plus sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2 sec square theta, 2 sec square theta upon tan square theta minus 1, tan square theta minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2 sec square theta upon tan square theta minus 1. बिल्कुल आपको ये नहीं समझना है हम लोग सम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, यू डोंट माइंड, यू आर सॉल्विंग द सम, यू शुड माइंड we are checking the system, okay, systematic system, how we can apply different type of fundamental operation here and then try to develop our brain toward trigonometric identities. Now student, this is your problem. Start from here, from LHS. Sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, just like 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 equal to what? How we can go there? Okay, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. So find the LCM. First LCM, Sin theta minus cos theta is the denominator of the first fraction, and sin theta plus cos theta is the denominator of the second fraction. Okay, they are different factor. They are different factor. Okay, suppose that you are finding LCM 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. So here 2 is the denominator, 3 is the denominator, they are a different factor. And by LCM, you will take always 2 multiply 3, that means 6. Okay, if you have double fraction 1 upon a minus b plus 1 upon a plus b, okay, then they are the different factor, okay, in the denominator, and you are taking the LCM, then you should write a minus b into a plus b. Okay, okay, student. Here A and B, oh, both are equal. If you are taking LCM in this type of fraction, A minus B into A plus B, then you can write, okay, LCM A square minus B square. Am I right or not? Because do you know the identity A minus B into A plus B equal to what? A minus B into A plus B equal to what? A square minus B square. Okay? Very good. Now, we are trying to take LCM here. Sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Now divide. Divide sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So this factor, okay, cancelled by this factor already. So you have one factor, one quotient, sin theta plus cos theta. Now sin theta plus cos theta multiplied by sin theta plus cos theta, because that is the numerator. ठीक है ना? इस कॉम्बिनेशन में अब आप फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से डिवीजन करेंगे तो जो फैक्टर इक्वल है डिवाइड हो जाएगा, जो बच गया दैट इज योर कोसेंट. नाउ यू शुड मल्टीप्लाई द क्वेसेंट विद द न्यूमरेटर. ओके स्टूडेंट, क्वेसेंट इज साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा और एंड न्यूमरेटर इज साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा. So you are going to multiply a by a. It means a multiply a. Then we will write a square. Okay. So write here sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, square of sin theta plus cos theta. Now plus. Now go in the second fraction similarly. In second fraction, okay, denominator is sin theta plus cos theta. So sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta cancelled, and you are getting the quotient 1. Now 1 multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, 1. Okay, this LCM divided by this denominator completely divided. So sin theta minus cos theta you are getting as denominator. Oh, sorry, quotient, and your numerator is sin theta minus cos theta also. So you will write here sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, square of sin theta minus cos theta. Now, how you can solve this? I am thinking sometime whole square of a plus b, how we can solve whole square of a plus b. Suppose that this is a, that is b. So whole square of a plus b, how we can solve? Okay, student, remember the day. Remember the day, previous class, how you can solve a plus b, whole square of a plus b. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Do you know this identity? Do you know? Very good. Why not? All are genius then. Similarly, sin theta plus cos theta, whole square of sin theta plus cos theta. We will write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab. That means 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Sin theta plus cos theta, whole square of sin theta plus cos theta. We should think just like this identity, whole square of a plus b. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here student sin theta is a and cos theta is b. Okay. If you are writing a square, then you can write sin square theta. Okay. If you are writing b square theta, then you can write cos square theta. If you are writing 2ab, it means 2 sin theta into cos theta. Understood? No problem. Very good. Now second. Now second. Student second. Sin theta minus cos theta. Do you know the same identity? Whole square of a minus b. Whole square of a minus b, it means a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can write a square plus b square minus 2ab also. Okay, no problem? Very good. No problem. Similarly, here sin square theta plus cos square theta, okay, minus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Now upon take sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Do you know? A minus b into a plus b square minus b square. You can write sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. Okay, understood? Now sin square plus cos square what? Sin square plus cos square equal to sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Okay. Now plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now plus sin square plus cos square is 1. Take the fundamental operation always. Minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay. And now student upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. Hello student. 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. I am thinking cancelled because this is positive and that is negative. Same. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 now. You can write 2 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. 2 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. 2 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, no problem. Understood everything? That is a simple operation. Very, very simple. Check. You can check just like class 1, class 2, how you can add 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. Don't mind the sine cos. That is nothing. So that is nothing, sine cos. You should mind something a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. This type of algebraic identities we should collect from class 9, all the algebraic identities. Then you can apply. Okay, at present time, I want to ask you, do you know a cube plus b cube? You are able to reply. A cube minus b cube, you are able to apply. Okay. You should collect all these identities from standard 9. Now I am erasing this. Take where we are. Where we are, student, 2 upon sin square minus cos square. Now how we can solve this? 2 upon sin square minus cos square. They are in a square form. So one special thing that is called componendo dividendo we should apply. Okay, multiplying, dividing by or dividing both numerator and denominator by the same thing. Dividing both numerator and denominator by the same thing. Okay, that may be changed into easy form. Now you should write a statement here by dividing by dividing numerator and denominator denominator by what? Cos. I'm thinking cos. If 2 upon cos, 2 upon cos, dividing by the same thing, okay, cos square theta by cos square theta. Now come and divide. This is the numerator. Divide 2 upon cos square theta. 2 upon cos square theta. Now divide this denominator also. Sin square theta minus cos square theta by cos square theta. Okay? Now you have double fraction. Go in multiplicative inverse. 2 upon cos square theta multiply cos square theta upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay? Sin square theta minus cos square. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now guys student, 2 upon cos square theta. We can write 2 multiply 1 upon cos square theta. If you are writing 2 upon cos square theta, then you can write 2 multiply 1 upon cos square theta. Because you want to go 2 sec theta. You want to go 2 sec theta because that is your destination point. कहाँ जाना है? धेपरा जाना है, दिखाई दे रहा है, तो हमें वहां जाना है, तो सोचेंगे. Now we have the term, last term 2 upon cos square theta. We want to go there 2 sec square theta. So we should think 2 multiply 1 upon cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta, that means sec square theta. Okay. 1 upon cos square theta, that means sec square theta. Because sec is the converse. Okay. Now come, you will write 2, what? You will write here 2 sec square theta. 2 sec square theta. Now, this is the multiply. Cos square upon sin square minus cos square. Or sin square minus cos square upon cos square. But we want to come here tan square minus 1. Okay. We want to come here 2 sec square theta upon tan square theta minus 1. Okay, you can go there from here or from here. We should think. हम यहां से यहां जा सकते हैं या यहां से डायरेक्ट यहां जा सकते हैं. We should think. Okay? Are you thinking? You want to go tan square theta minus 1. Tan square minus tan square theta minus 1. How we can go there? Sin theta upon cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, because tan is the ratio of sin and cos. Tan is the ratio of sin and cos. So, if you want to go directly from here, then we should change the cos in the term of sin. How we can change the cos in the term of sin? Mind the first identity. After dividing the Pythagoras by hypotenuse, we will get there sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If we need cos square theta, then cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So we can go from here. Right then, sin square theta minus. Now use the parenthesis. Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. Now, cos square theta, student. Okay? Okay, now come slowly. Right here 2 sec square theta upon. Now student, this is sin square. This is the parenthesis. If you are removing the parenthesis, then you should change the fundamental sign of the term which are in the parenthesis, just opposite. Plus will be changed into minus and minus will be changed into plus. So student, we are writing sine square theta minus 1 because 1 is the positive, now 1 is the negative. Okay, now sine square theta is negative and we should write here plus sine square theta upon cos square theta. Okay, now how we can adjust it? To sec square theta. Here sin square theta plus sin square theta. That will be 2 sin square theta. And 2 sin square theta upon, sorry, sin square theta plus sin square theta, we will write 2 sin square theta. ओके, देखिए मैं कितना घूमकर चल रहा हूं, दिखाई दे रहा धेपरा जाना है, लेकिन रास्ते में कहां कहां भटकना पड़ता है, कैसे चलना पड़ता है. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, इट मीन्स 2 साइन स्क्वायर, देन माइनस 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1, here 2 sin square theta minus 1 and here upon cos square theta. Now student, we can write 2 sec square theta upon 2 sin square theta upon cos square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta. Then how we can change it? Okay, 2 sec square theta minus 1. So from here 2 sec square theta, that is completed. Now one thing, tan square theta minus 1. Tan square theta minus 1. Tan square theta minus 1. How we can get from here? By the help of this or by the help of this directly, you should try to think and go there. Okay? आप ध्यान दीजिए, हम लोगों को यहां जाना है, यहां जाना है. आप यहां पहुंच चुके हैं 2 सेक स्क्वायर थीटा, 2 सेक स्क्वायर थीटा आ चुके हैं. अब आपको 2 सेक स्क्वायर के बाद जाना है टेन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. यहां से डबल रास्ता दिखाया गया, यहां से एक मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स और एक डायरेक्टली. डायरेक्टली को मैं यहां तक ला रहा हूं. अब आपको सोचना है ये कैसे चेंज होगा टेन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 में, अथवा इसको मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में लाकर आप चेंज करेंगे. यू शुड ट्राई, ओके, टू फाइनल इट. ओके, थैंक यू. Problem number 3, student. Prove that one plus cot theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta plus sec theta इक्वल टू 2. अब इसको चेक कीजिए, डायरेक्टली आपको नंबर लाना है. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Okay, equal to 2. It means after finding the solution of LHS, we will get a number. That number will be 2. How it is possible? Come on, student. Take the operation. This is the cot. This is the cosec. Here cot means the quotient of cos and sine, and cosec means converse of sine. Okay. If we are changing cot and cosec, we are getting the same denominator. Okay. Now start 1 plus cot means quotient of cos and sine, cos theta upon sine theta, minus cosec means converse of sine. So 1 upon sine theta. Okay. Now check sine theta and sine theta. In the next factor, 1 plus here 10 quotient of sine and cos. You will write here sine theta upon cos theta. Now plus sec. Sec is the converse of cos. So you will write here 1 upon cos theta. Okay. 1 plus cos theta upon sine theta minus 1 upon sine theta into 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Now, operate it. Sine and sine. LCM is sine. Sine theta multiplied by 1 is sine theta plus sine cancel 1. 1 multiplied by cos theta is cos theta minus sine cancel 1 into 1 is 1. Now come here, student. Same. You can do cos theta. You will write here cos theta plus sine theta, because cos cancel 1. 1 multiplied by sine theta is sine theta. Cos cancel. You will write here 1. Now student, check these two factors. Sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. Can you multiply these two? Okay. Remember the identities, algebraic identities. Suppose that you are supposing sine theta plus cos theta is A and 1 is B. If you are supposing this is A and that is B. Similarly, is A and that is B. So you can read the identity A minus B into A plus B. Listen again. Combine these two. We can multiply these three term by these three term, trinomial by trinomial, no problem. But that will be lengthy. सोचिए, हम इस ट्राइनोमियल को इस ट्राइनोमियल से मल्टीप्लाई डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आइडेंटिटीज से हेल्प लेंगे तो थोड़ा सस्ता होगा. हाउ वी कैन एडजस्ट दीज टू? We should suppose sin theta plus cos theta is A together and minus B. A plus B. A minus B. A plus B equal to A square minus B square. If you are writing A square, then you should write sin theta plus cos theta whole square of sin theta plus cos theta, because we are writing only A square, because these two are taken by us in the first group and that is A square. Okay. A square minus B square. B is 1. So A square of 1 will be what? Understood? Now student, sin theta multiply cos theta. You will write here sin theta into cos theta. They are different factor. Okay, very good. Now student, a plus b, whole square of a plus b. Take the second identity, whole square of a plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then write down a square, that means sin square theta, plus b square, that means cos square theta. Then plus 2ab, it means 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now student, sin theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. First identity, trigonometric identity proved by you. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay? 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay? But you want to get 2. How you can get? वीडियो रुक गया. Ready? Hello student. You want to get 2 only? Yes, you want to get 2. And we are standing here. 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. How we can get 2? Can you think?
Sir, there is
How we
also
can
minus
get?
1.
Okay. Now separate these two. These two terms, first term and second term. Okay. First term and second term separate. 1 upon, you will write 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Then plus 2 sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay? Can you write?
सब -1
Okay, separate
माइनस
these
1 भी होगा
two.
वहाँ पे.
1 upon sin theta
सर माइनस 1.
into cos theta. Okay? Then plus 2 into sin theta, 2 into sin theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay? We are here. Now this is 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. You can write. Now plus sin theta into cos theta cancelled by sin theta into cos theta. You can get 2. Now 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. How you can adjust? Okay? So from here you will go the suitable way and try to get 2. Okay? हाँ हाँ, इसको आगे यहां से एक स्टेप से आगे करेगा, सोचेगा वो. टाइम हो गया तो होमवर्क दे देते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट 3-4 sums take down for your homework. Prove that sin A plus cosec A साइन ए प्लस cosec A, okay, whole square of sin A plus cosec A plus whole square of cos A plus sec A equal to 7 plus 10 square A, 7 plus 10 square A plus cot square A plus cot square A. Okay. 7 plus 10 square A plus cot square A. Second sum. Second sum. Sec 4 theta. Sec 4 theta minus sec square theta equal to 10 square theta plus 10 4 theta. Third sum, sin theta upon, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to 10 theta. Sum number